Welcome back, shop rats. Today we're doing something I have been chomping at the bit to do for years. Ever since we brought the Oakland home, I've been wanting to do this. So let's just watch the show intro. We'll see you in about 30 seconds. I'm Mike, and this is My Car Shop.
Working out of a 100-year-old refurbished barn, bringing 35 years of experience to projects considered beyond repair. Vision, creativity, and problem solving are essential tools in this place. Watch as we transform junk into polished metal miracles. This is My Car's Shop.
It's time to give it a bath for the first time in probably well over 75 years. So let's get scrub-it-up-dub and get her done. There we go. She's got years and years of soot gone. It's by no means as clean as I want to make it, but I just wanted to do an initial blush, get the dust and dirt off, and see what it actually looks like. The paint is obviously well scraped off all over the place on the car, and you know the gray over the green is peeling. But when we do a patina treatment on this thing's going to look great. Wished I had the time and the energy to do it today, but I don't. being real careful on that top, because there are spots where it potentially would leak. So we'll, like here, and you can see inside the car, it didn't leak when I did this, but you can see inside the car there's staining on the headliner from where it has leaked in the past. So we're gonna have to do some magic up there to keep that from leaking. But car looks good. Yeah, thing is in amazingly good shape considering the lack of care that it's had for so many decades and so forth. But yep, she's a solid piece. Would be a great piece to restore, except I think just leaving it patina and fixing up the top a little bit and just enjoy it as it is. It's a fun car. I want to bang a couple dents out here and there. I already banged the dent of the hood out, but yeah, there we go, eh? She's looking pretty good. One small step. Do need to get a new moto meter and radiator cap. This one doesn't thread on anymore. But yeah, those things are, last I looked, I found one like that. It was over $1,000. So not going on there anytime soon, but we'll find something that'll go on there and be able to put a motor meter on, make it look good. Maybe we can find a way to fix those threads. It's the radiator cap itself that the threads are rotted out in. Maybe we can machine an insert, put in there, and then we can just get a new moto meter to put in it so that it has its temperature readings. Not drying too good on this side, obviously, because it's in the shade, but I'm just gonna let it sit here for a while and dry out. If you're new to the channel and haven't seen the inside of this thing, it's unrestored, untouched, all original. We've already done some cleaning on it and so forth, but yeah, it looks good. Well, that's going to do it for this episode on the 26 Oakland. I appreciate you joining in. If you're on the Face thing and you're on Instagram, /MyCarShop, check us out over there. If you haven't subbed to the channel, why not? You're here. Go ahead and do that. Doesn't cost anything, and there's tremendous benefit for you because we put out episodes every Tuesday, Friday, and Sunday, like clockwork at 7 o'clock in the morning. All right, that'll do it. And as we always stop around here, and as we always say, rock!